Hi boys and girls, back for another story today, and today we're reading another Pete the Cat book. This is one of the best Pete the Cat books, and it's all about math today. So we're going to be doing some counting and subtracting. Remember, subtracting means taking away. We're not adding more, we're taking away. So today we're going to be talking about subtraction with Pete the Cat. Today's story is called Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. This story is written by Eric Litwin, and the art or the illustrations are by James Dean, and he's the creator of Pete the Cat here. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Look at Pete's coat and see if you can figure it out. 3. 4 minus, that's another word for take away, 1 equals 3. Groovy. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Look at his jacket. 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. It's all good. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. Pete the Cat is so funny. I love that counting story. Helps us work on our subtraction and taking away and seeing how many are left. I can't wait for show and tell tomorrow, boys and girls. I'm going to send out a reminder. I can't wait to see your faces and see all the things that you bring to show us. So remember, 3 o'clock on Zoom. I sent your families the link. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for a story and for show and tell. Have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.